Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. This is a trade signal. It's a video I did and I sent this into TradingView here. My ideas. It's a free signal and I'll be posting this into my Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group. You're welcome to join. Love to see you in there. The link is below. Let's just quickly have a quick look through these recent signals that I've posted here. Then we'll come back to this and I'll explain the strategy behind this. US100, that's tonight. So euro dollar, we'll just run through these quickly. I want you to see the results. Let's see how they stack up. Are they any good? So this was a buy down here. Euro dollar. Aussie dollar, this one was a sell, as you can see, nice outcome. Next one is gold. Okay, so if you're looking for good reliable trade signals, I would love you to follow me. As I said, these are completely free. This one was a sell with the opportunity to close down here in the money. I have a strategy with this, and if you join our VIP group, you gain access to all of our signals. This was a Bitcoin. We were looking for the pullback. We didn't actually get that, but the direction of the trend or the trade was still correct. Join our VIP group, guys. It's incredible value. This one was the US100. As you can see, the outcome. The idea with these is to trail this with the stop loss and get as much out of them as you can. US100. Next one was the UK. I mean, as you can see, every single one of these has been a winning trade. Gold, I mean, it goes on and on and on. I'll just stop here. That's probably 7 or 8. There's gold. So with that, here's an invite, guys. Take you over to my website quickly, tradingwithanthony.com. Here's the website. There's information here. We trade your Forex account. Have a look at that. That's quite a good passive income opportunity. More about the Forex signals if you're interested in the VIP. A couple of videos here to watch. Getting a very nice result with these, so you can click this link here to join or simply go to the store link up here. And honestly, guys, shout me a coffee and cake. That's the 6 monthly option. There's other options here. Shout me lunch once a month. I'll let you do the math. So let's just quickly go back to NAS100. This is a very simple strategy here with this one. We're looking for a sell. We can see that this is now trending down, lower lows, lower highs for our chart. We've got the pullback into the fib retrace here. We could pull it from here to here. I like the pullback into the 61.8 fib zone. I mark up these levels. I've got this green candle marked up. I'm looking for the levels where we see the opposite color candles. Here, for example, we've got these red candles. It's bearish. So I'm going to pick up the most recent green candle high-low. We've got this red candle here bearish. I'm going to pick up the most recent green candle high and low. There's a level. I'm looking for my sell zone. In through here, stop loss above, give it a bit of room to breathe. This is actually a daily, these yellow lines are a daily resistance level. Make sure you keep an eye out for these. Our indicators give us these. The orange line is weekly, and there's a white line here somewhere that gives us the monthly. So I'm looking for target one down here. As you can see, this low coincides with this low over here. And then the rest is a dynamic target. Trail it with your stop loss until we see the trend reversal. Guys, if you've gained any value from the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube, subscribe to our VIP. Check the links below for some great opportunities. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.